make such a drastic decision?
It's about my wife, yo. It's just very complicated, yo. I don't know what I don't do for her. I gave
Same
her
thing.
everything, right?
Mm-hmm.
I gave her all my heart, yo. I don't know what I don't for this girl, yo. I gave her my heart, my liver, my lungs, yo.
Yes, but what did she do in particular to drive you to this state?
Oh God, yo. I'm dying right now, yo. I don't.
Tap your yo, tap your in brethren, you big man, act like a big man. You will not speak to the caller in this particular manner. Being very intelligent, however. Caller, could you turn the radio down or turn it off? Explain your situation.
I can't turn it off right now, yo. It's the soundtrack of my life. Anyways, about 1 o'clock Tuesday night, yo.
Mm-hmm.
I came in from work a little bit early, yo. Normally I get in at 3, you know, but I wasn't feeling well.
Mm-hmm.
Oh God, yo. Oh Lord, oh why me, God? I walked in and lo and behold, you know, I saw my best friend f***ing the hell out of my wife, yo. He wasn't holding back, she was just having it, yo.
But my son, there are ways to overcome this. It's not the end of the world, my son. You can get counseling, you know.
We tried that before, you know. We tried that, you know. We went to counseling because she f***ed the gardener once, you know, and I forgave her because that's like a stranger and stuff, you know.
I know, love is blind, and even I myself, I can be a bit nearsighted sometimes. But as I said before, it's not the end of the world, you see, my son.
I love her, yo.
Brethren, if a girl violate me, I now make my web up, you know, from left to right.
I even wrote a poem about the situation, yo.
Alright, I can hear the poem.
Oh God.
I can hear the poem.
Oh God. Okay, here goes. There she was, yo. On all fours. She was being humped. Brutally pumped. Flashes across my mind about where the body should be dumped. I flew into a fit of rage. I kicked and I thumped. This is the worst of all the cards she's ever trumped, yo.
Oh God, caller, could you get a grip?
I already have it, yo.